If it feels like everyone is shouting online and your message is getting lost in the noise, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 3 ways to stand out in a crowded market without burning yourself out. One of the biggest mistakes I see business owners make is trying to appeal to everyone. When you're too broad, no one really knows what you do or who you're for. Instead, get clear by asking yourself, who do I help? What do I help them achieve? And why does it matter? For example, instead of saying, I'm a coach for business owners, I say, I help overwhelmed entrepreneurs simplify and scale their business in 90 days. That's clear, that's memorable, and clarity cuts through noise. Next, pick one platform to go deep instead of trying to be everywhere. Whether it's Instagram, YouTube, email, choose one and build consistency there first. Consistency plus a strong message will always beat sporadic posting on 5 different platforms. And yes, use tools to make it easier. ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas, Canva to design on-brand posts, Calendly to book calls without DMs. Use tech to simplify, not to stress you out. Perfection is out. People are craving real. You don't have to look polished all the time. Share your journey, share your personality, talk about what you're working on, what you're learning, or even what's not going perfectly for you. That vulnerability builds trust, and in this market, trust is your competitive edge. So to recap, get clear on who you serve, focus on one platform with one strong message, and show up real, not perfect. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment below with which tip you're going to apply this week. And if you want help clarifying your message or building your brand, check the link in the description. I've got a free worksheet that can help.